took this trade in the B period when we retested that VWAP area after, basically looking like another rotation down. If you look at that 5-minute area. So I entered a little bit higher than this because what you're seeing now is the average price of when I added a contract. So I entered close to that VWAP. And then as that delta started to crash, I entered another one as we accelerated. And I took that first one off at the cash session value area low, which is right next, the profile right next to the TPO there. On the second one, I'm trying to get down to that red dot line and the value area low, which is the green line, and that red, like I said, the red dash line, just kind of that area. I thought if we could push right through there, the way the delta was falling, I would look maybe at that POC, that previous POC, and maybe the overnight low. But as we get down here, I bring that stop down just to protect myself from it bouncing out of here. And then it takes me out right there. So this trade is where I kind of pick that back up, and I'm aiming for that overnight low. I do take one off here because we are about to switch time periods. And I kind of anticipated there being a bounce. And we were getting so close that I thought at 35 ticks, I might as well take one right there. And so that I'm shooting for the overnight low on the next one. And I'll bring the stop down. You'll see as it gets close and we flush that area, I'll bring the stop down just in case we do build a little node under there and it tries to extend a little bit farther. But then I bring the stop down just to protect myself from basically doing what it's going to do here. They bring this down right to the overnight low there. So I thought for sure they were going to clean that up. They're not going to want to keep it that close. When it does, they bring that stop down. Like I said, maybe they would build a node here and extend, but they, bring it back and take me out right there.